in one or two sentences. Define the terms space lattice and unit cell. Space lattice, an infinite three-dimensional array of points showing how atoms or molecules are arranged in a crystal, is known as space lattice. The points are known as lattice points. Unit cell, the smallest fundamental structure of which the crystalline solid is built by its repetition in three dimensions, is called unit cell. State Bragg's law, the fundamental equation which gives a simple relation between the wavelength of X-rays, the interplanar distance in the crystal, and the angle of reflection, is known as Bragg's equation. Bragg's equation is n lambda is equal to 2d sin theta, where n is the order of reflection, lambda is the wavelength of X-rays, d is the interplanar distance in the CR crystal, theta is the angle of reflection. What are superconductors? Superconductors are ultra-cold substances to conduct electricity without resistance, is called superconductivity. These materials have virtually zero electrical resistance, or superconductors are those which offer no resistance to the passage of electricity. Example, metals such as tungsten, mercury and lead act as superconductors below about 10 Kelvin. Sketch the simple cubic, face-centered cubic and body-centered cubic lattice. How crystals are classified? Crystals are classified into the following four types, depending upon the nature of the units which occupy the lattice points: molecular crystals, covalent crystals, metallic crystals and ionic crystals. Give example for molecular and ionic crystals. Molecular crystals. The lattice points in molecular crystals consist of molecules which do not carry any charge. Example, iodine, solid CO2. Ionic crystals. In ionic crystals, the units occupying lattice points are positive and negative ions. Example, sodium chloride, lithium fluoride and sodium nitride. What is a vitreous state? Vitreous state or glassy state is a condition in which certain substance can exist lying between the solid and liquid states. This state is possible in amorphous solids, glass, which are otherwise called as supercooled liquids. Give two examples for AB and AB2 type ionic crystals. AB type ionic crystals, CSCl, NaCl. AB2 type ionic crystals, TiO2, CaF. What is imperfection in solids? The term imperfection or defect is generally used to describe any deviation of the ideally perfect crystal from the periodic arrangement of its constituents. Imperfection arises from an error at a single point.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational contents.